Welcome. Question number 32, still on the series on Nigeria WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics. Given that tan P is 3 on 4 and tan Q is 8 on 15, we have to evaluate the tan P plus Q. This is a compound trigonometric identity, whereby we can just know that if I have tan P plus Q can be expanded as the tan of the first trig, then the tan of the second divided by 1 minus tan P tan Q. If you want to know how this formula is generated, you check the playlist on YouTube under trigonometry. So knowing this expansion, all we need is do substitution. So I am going to replace the tan P by 8 value, which is 3 out of 4. Then we are having plus the tan Q, which is 8 out of 15, all divided by 1 minus the tan of P, still at 3 on 4, times 8 on 15 as well, the tan of what? Q. Remember, the top is just a fraction of 8 on, which we need to simplify as a single fraction. We are looking for LCM, but I can use the butterfly approach, whereby the whole of this is multiply plus the whole of this is multiply. Then we multiply it down. Or better still, I have 15 times 3, as in this direction. That will be 45. The same 15 will multiply 4 to give us 60. Then 4 will in turn multiply 8, 32, and 4 times 15 give us what? 60. 1 minus. Now, I can see that the 4 is a factor of 8, as in 2. 3 is a factor of 15, as in what? 5. So if I multiply, I'm having 1. This becomes 2 on what? 5. Now, knowing that these have the same denominator, we only add the numerators as a fraction. So 77 is what they're going to get, right? So we have 77 still divided by one of the 60s, which is the same. Let's now change the division, this bar, to become this. Now, if you are subtracting a fraction from 1, you only subtract the numerator from the denominator, and the result will be 3 divided by the same denominator. Dividing two fractions will go in this way. 77 over 60. Now this becomes multiplication. We flip over the fraction to make it 5 on what? 3. And I can see that 5 is a factor of 60 as well. 5 go here 1, 5 go here what? 12. So in multiplication, we multiply the numerators together. 77 times 1, 77. 12 times 3, 36. So in checking this, we need to check which of the options will best fit. And this will be option what? C. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 33.